With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, welcome to Doubtnut. Our question is, a number is chosen at random from the number 10 to 99. By seeing the number, a man will laugh if the product of the digit is 12. If he choose 3 number with replacement, then the probability that he will laugh at least once is. We have given a 4 option. Okay, now first I take a set S. I take a set S having a number 10, 11, 12, 13, dash 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 up to 99. That means the total number of element in that set is become a 90. Okay, I can choose an event A, which is the chosen number whose product of the digit is 12. Okay, so the possible numbers are 26, 62, 43 and 34. These four are the number whose product of digit is become a 12. That means the total possible numbers are 4. Okay, so the probability of happening an event A is become a 4 upon 90. That means 2 upon 45. We know the identity. The probability of happening an event plus probability of not happening an event is become a 1. So the probability of not happening an event A. That means the chosen number whose product of digit is not 12 is 1 minus probability of A. That means 1 minus 2 upon 45 or 43 upon 45. Okay, let us take an event E. Event E is he will laugh at least once. He will laugh at least once. At least once. Okay, because our question is if he choose 3 number with replacement. With replacement means each trial is independent to other. Okay, then the probability that he will laugh at least once is. Okay, so I can choose an event E, which is he will laugh at least once. Okay, so the probability of happening event E is equal to 1 minus probability of not happening event E, because this identity is valid for all case. Okay, now E complement means he will not laugh at once, because E be the event which is he will laugh at least once. So E complement means he will not laugh at once. Okay, so which is obtained as each time he got a number whose product of digits is not 12. That means probability of A complement into probability of A complement into probability of A complement. Because each trial is independent, so the each event is become a independent, so we directly multiply this probability in all the 3 cases. So 1 minus 43 upon 45 whole cube. This is our final answer. So which option is true? Option D is true. Option D is true. Hope you understand this question. Thank you for signing Doubtnut.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.